Collins, keep the spatula out of the dog bowl. Colin, look! There's more kibble on the floor. Look, Colin. Look, there's more. There's more food on the floor. Smack it. Take the spatula and smack it. Are you fixing the doggies' dinner? Yep, put it back in the bowl.
Mama.
Oh, are you feeding Samson? No!